Hello my friends, welcome back here to the channel. For today I have this project that is called the perfect corner. As you see, we can fit all the parts here and inside. I will show you how to design that object and assemble this project. Watch the full video to understand the workflow. I made here the drawing. You can download in the first link of the description to follow the instructions. If you like my work here on YouTube, you can support me on my memberships that is on Patreon and the Tang site, or buy me a coffee here on the channel. Let's start design. Create here on the base a rectangle by the center that is 60 millimeters with 60 millimeters, and apply a fillet with 2 millimeters radius here, all the angles 2 millimeters, and made offset with 2 millimeters. That's the profile that we need. Select that profile with the extrude tool here with 200 millimeters. With the inspect, I will display another color for this project. Select here the face and create project here. We need to project this line here, okay, and start creating here a line that needs to be 45 degrees, and this line the same of the side of the tube. Finish the sketch, select with extrude and cut all the materials and confirm with OK. Now the secret for the corner: rotate the object and select this face, project here and here, project this upper line, create here another triangular here and here, and made with the midpoint this line constrain with that line. That we project here needs to be 60 millimeters and the same angle 45. Finish the sketch, extrude this material, remove all that material here and finalize. Now we have the object that you use to create these corners. Go here to the body, right button, and create component from bodies. Now we have a component. We can ground this component that they don't move to the assembly process. We can select here right button and copy. Here on the main project, right button and paste new. Move a little bit. You can create a simple copy like Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V, but they don't create these other colors. It's not possible to apply other colors. If you paste as new, you can apply other colors and materials. Repeat the process. Copy here on the main project, paste as new. Now we can start to move. This needs to be rotated here and here, 90 degrees, and okay. Now we can, with the J, create a joint, hold the control, click on this point, hold the control and click. Now we have our first joint. Click here, move the object. You can rotate here 90 degrees, move and rotate minus 90 degrees. Now it's easier to understand what corner we need to constrain. With that process, it's easier to understand what corner we need to join. Click here on join. Repeat the process, hold the control, click on this point. In here, hold the control, click on the point. Now we have our three components, join, and the corner, it's perfect. You can see with this analysis process, plane, here, here, and here. Now we have a plane to visualize our corner and flip. Now we can visualize the inside part. And return here for the project. If you like this video, leave me here a comment and the like button. If you can help me with this work, thank you so much for support my job, and see you in the next video.